Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. So today we will be doing one of the items that I wanted from my LV wish list. And yeah, it was sold out for the longest time, and I put myself on notify me, and once I saw it come back in stock, I immediately bought it. So here we go. It came in a huge box, and I actually ordered it yesterday and it came immediately today. So quite surprised it was that quick. Hopefully it's completely new and that it's not a return or anything. I love you, JJ. So it's a gift to myself from my bunny, JJ. I love him to death. So, yeah. And this is something that I always wanted on my wish list, but it was sold out, so such a small product and a big box. So, tissue paper. Wow. So soft. So this is my second bunny from LV. The first one is this one right here, where I use her as a bag charm. And now I have a mini bag charm plus a plush doll. Super cute. How do they look?